I'm going to show you how to use Outlier.ai to optimize your workflow. Now, it's one of the best AI tools out there for doing so, and I'm going to show you how to apply for jobs, make money, referral links, and so on. But it starts with creating an account. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you simply just want to go to Outlier.ai, that website, and once you type that in, you'll be brought onto the website like so. And to actually create an account, you just want to accept cookies and click on the login option on the screen like so. Even if you don't have an account, you actually just want to create one using Google, or you can use this other option using opportunities. I just recommend using Google. It's the most straightforward, simplest process. And once you've done that, you just select the Google account that you actually want to associate with your Outlier account. Click on continue. From here, you simply just want to enter in your first name, last name, date of birth, address, phone number, city, zip code, and so on. Agree to the terms of service and simply click on agree to sending an SMS and click on continue. And it'll actually send you a verification code, which you need to enter in here. Now, the entire setup process does take a good amount of time to actually set up because they actually do want to make sure that you are 18 years old. Otherwise, you cannot use this application. And just get to know your background a little bit better so they can really identify what you actually need to analyze data and use this application for on your end of the spectrum. But once you enter in your code, again, you just have to enter in a verification ID, so start identity verification, and it will actually send you a code to your phone where you can actually submit these documents. Now, it can be a driver's license, state ID, passport card, so on. I'm just going to choose driver license because that's the easiest one for me. And you simply want to click on send SMS here, enter in your phone number. On your phone, you just want to enter in your driver's license. You have to do this on your phone. You can't do this on your actual computer. On your phone, you just want to enter in your driver's license. You have to do this on your phone. You can't do this on your actual computer, you know? And as you can see, now we have verified our identity, so we just want to click on done, click on continue once again, and you actually want to upload a resume so that Outlier AI can actually match some information to identify which projects it actually needs to help you on. So you just want to click on upload a resume. And if your resume is currently not a PDF file, which it needs to be, I just recommend typing into the search bar JPEG to PDF or SEV to PDF, whatever file yours is, that's a PDF file, and then you can actually just simply get that application. Or just simply putting your file, just copying your resume, putting that text in Google Docs, and then just downloading it as a PDF. Then from here, you simply just want to export it and actually upload your resume onto this website like so. And once you've done that, we just click on continue option, and you can add any languages that you speak or the ones in your native country. I'm just going to choose English for me. You can also do English and Spanish or whatever languages you need. And now we're almost done creating our account. You just want to choose a few things that you do have expertise in, experience in. So if you do have mathematics, data science, or some sort of degree in poetry, just anything like that, any skill sets in any of these things, you just want to scroll through these and select the ones that you actually have expertise, some experience in. And there's even an other option at the bottom of the screen. Click on continue, or you can skip that step entirely, just clicking on the very bottom skip option. And as you can see, now that we've done that, we can simply join our community, and we have just done the first step of our process, creating our account. Click on join community, and now we are actually on the actual Outlier AI website. And once you've actually created an account and are on this page like so, you can actually see there's a bunch of different options on how to use this. Now, it's going to be really confusing at first, but there's actually a few different ways to actually learn how to use this application. Now, the first way, you can click on the get started if you just want to read the manual PDF that I have right here. It'll just pull this up like so, or you can just fidget around. In this case, there's simply a search bar. You can search for whatever you need to on this site. Go to topics. You can even view your posts, but you actually cannot post until you've actually applied for some jobs. You can view your categories, and you can basically navigate this website, which is used to actually connect you to other people around the world in jobs that you may be looking for. And as you can see, if we go to any groups, there's no one in any groups when you create an account. So what you want to do to actually activate this section of Outlier AI is you simply just want to go back to the home website, outlier.ai again. And as you can see, we can click on the view opportunities option in the top right hand corner. And as you can see, we can scroll down and select our location now that we have an account. and click on all global, or you can actually select the type depending on what kind of opportunity that you are looking for. In this case, I'm just going to choose global for location, or you can choose Australia. Maybe you want to be an AI math teacher in Australia, and you can make a lot of money through this website just by simply sending people these referral links, and they'll send you money. As you can see, we can win $200 if we send these referral links to people. And as you can see, this is not always the case for all of these applications, but there's often a heavy fine of a referral link. A lot of money can be made just by sending people different jobs to actually suggest them to use this website and sign up for a job. So let's just say we want to be a math teacher in Australia. You click on this and you can scroll down and you simply submit your application name, your last name, email, phone, and all your files because we already have an account. Once you've submitted this application, you go back to this website right here. And as you can see, we can actually add any dates, and this is where all of our messages will show up on this page like so. And it is pretty easy to use this application once you've actually submitted a few job applications and have just been fidgeting around trying to use this website for a little while. But it is really easy to use, and it is one of the best websites I've found to make money. Again, how you make money is you just want to go on to the actual Outlier.ai website, click on view opportunities, and you can actually select any of the location or any of the types of jobs that you actually want to make money with. Now, how we're going to make money is we're going to send referral links. I'm just going to choose, I want to be a coder, for example, and you can choose your location. Usually first world countries like Australia, US, or New Zealand will have bigger bounties, which means they'll pay you more for sending referral links to actually having people sign up for certain jobs. In this case, I've selected Australia, or you can choose any other country, honestly, but all of them, as you can see, do not have referral link rewards. So if we just want to be a mathematics engineer and just click on this, you can simply copy this link and actually send this to someone with expertise in this field. And if they take this link, they take this offer, then you get a large bounty sent to your Outlier AI website, which is right here. And you can actually view your earnings on this page, which I have none yet because I just created this account. And they'll just end up here, and you can withdraw them to your bank account, do whatever you want with that money. And you can pretty much do this an infinite amount of times and make like $1,000 every week, depending on how many referral links people you send to, and they actually sign up using this. So yeah, it is a pretty effective system here. The thing is, people are not always going to sign up with your referral links, or if you sign up for these, you don't get a reward. So just send these links to as many people as you possibly can. And again, all the messages will actually show up on this page like so. Currently, there's nothing here. And yeah, this is basically how you use Outlier AI. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below, and yeah, go make some money.